In the world of modern warfare, technological advancements have led to remarkable breakthroughs in aircraft design and capabilities. One such marvel is the F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation multi-role fighter jet that's turning heads with its extraordinary features. Among these is a surprising ability that sets it apart from its predecessors: the capability to engage targets behind the aircraft itself. The F-35's ability to engage targets behind it is a result of cutting-edge technology and advanced sensor systems. This innovative feature is made possible by the Distributed Aperture System, DAS, an array of cameras and sensors strategically placed around the aircraft. The DAS cameras provide a comprehensive 360-degree view of the aircraft's surroundings, essentially creating a digital sphere around it. This live feed is then projected onto the pilot's helmet visor, allowing them to see through the aircraft. This unique capability empowers pilots with a tactical advantage that was previously unimaginable. During combat scenarios, pilots can monitor threats coming from all directions, including from behind the aircraft. This ability is especially crucial in air-to-air engagements, where quick and informed decision-making can make all the difference. Imagine an enemy aircraft sneaking up from behind, a vulnerable position for any pilot. But with the F-35's technology, the pilot can detect the threat, track its movements, and even engage it with precision-guided missiles, all while maintaining focus on their primary targets. This capability redefines the concept of air combat. Instead of being limited by the front-facing radar, the F-35's all-encompassing situational awareness enhances the pilot's ability to adapt and respond to rapidly changing scenarios. Even in the face of incoming missiles, the F-35 can perform evasive maneuvers while still tracking the threat, increasing the chances of successfully dodging attacks. This ability is a game-changer, providing a level of defense that was previously unattainable. The F-35's capacity to engage targets behind it is a testament to human ingenuity and technological prowess. With its distributed aperture system, this cutting-edge fighter jet is not only rewriting the rules of air combat, but also ensuring the safety and effectiveness of pilots in the most challenging and dynamic environments. As the F-35 continues to evolve, its impact on the future of warfare promises to be nothing short of revolutionary.